Oh, how about Sweets of May?
Oh, nice, yeah. This is actually an English country dance, and I actually know the dance. I can tell you how to dance it.
Greenland sailed away, the Greenland sailed away. By the lookout on the cross tree stood a spyglass in his hand. There's a whale, there's a whale, there's a whale fish, he cried, and she blows out every span, she blows out every span. Our captain on the afterdeck, fine old man was he. Overhaul, lay down tackles full, and launch your boats to sea, and launch your boats to sea. Now the boats were launched, and the men on board, and the whale was in full view, and resolving was each sailor board to strike where the whalefish flew, to strike where the whalefish flew. We struck the whale and the line paid out, but the whale gave a flourish with her tail, and the boat capsized, and 4 men were drowned, and we never got that whale, we never got that whale. To lose the whale, our captain cried, it grieves my heart full sore. I'm but to lose 4 of my gallant men, it grieves me 10 times more, it grieves me 10 times more. The winter star